Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to connect Putty and VirtualBox Ubuntu. So here's the Ubuntu which is installed in VirtualBox. Let's see here the blog. So you can see here how to set up there. This is, if you see the network, if you go to the network adapter, this should be the bridge adapter, and enable network adapter should be on, and if you see the allow all, so cable should be it's connected. And this is my blog. You can also go through that and you can get the information. If you not, then you can go to the watch this video and you can get information about that. So Ubuntu has started in VirtualBox. It's asking password, so let's give the password here. Okay, let me check the what is the network here. So before that we can give the password here. Yeah, now it's a bit slow, but no problem. Recording is happening. Let's go to the network here. Yeah, and network setting. Okay, now you can see the network setting, a bridge adapter, and here's the permission mode is deny. It doesn't matter, it's deny, allow all, but make sure that enable network should be there, enable network adapter, that should be the check-in, and cable connected, so it should be the check-in. So these two options should be always, it should be the check-in. So let's select OK and check the it's still opening. Now go to this desktop and open the Putty. So Putty is open, and I have installed Putty in a local host which is on Windows, and this is the Unix. Okay, so let's open the terminal right now. Terminal, okay, either you can give a Control T or just connect. Yeah, so terminal is open. Give the command to open the IP address. So IP address command is ifconfig. Paste it here. Okay. It will not work because it should be the small letter. Okay, so connected. Let's find the what is the IP address. So go to the block box, check the what is they are saying. Block, they are saying there should be Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1, 2, 3. So Ethernet 0, it depends on the network settings. So our IP address is 192.168.1, but let's copy this one and paste it into the Putty. So make sure that Putty is connected and it's already installed in Ubuntu on localhost in Windows. Let's give a login as. So my login ID is Sachin. Okay, give the password. Password is it's connected. Now let's check the file in Ubuntu. So you can see the file over there. We can be able to see that, so we can able to connect. So this is the way we can connect, and thanks for that. Thanks for watching, friends.